champion and plays Nepal. I know Nepal is very strong opponent, especially their home ground. And most of players they brought them up here. Their all atmosphere and environment is very familiar. Also, I believe if we can play according to our plan and strategy, then we can become champion. As my captain told, Nepal is a very good side. They have a lot of speedy players and they have a lot of wingers, effective wingers they have. Morale is very good because we know already said that we beat India in the semi-final. And it is past, I think it is past. Tomorrow is a new day, new match, a new opponent. Although we faced them one time, but I think they are very much prepared and very talented side. And we have to take more challenges against them if we want to beat them. You already have seen yesterday our changing goalkeeper did well. There is no other challenge, choice. And you know that our goalkeeper and captain yesterday got injury in the next this year. Bone is only broken. And doctor suggested immediate operation. We tried to send him back to Bangladesh to do operation. But anyhow, we cannot manage the flight and we are trying to send him tomorrow to do the emergency operation. Now he said no difficulties.
So he will not play tomorrow?
Sorry?
The captain will not play tomorrow?
No.
You played him?
Very good question. Because you already played 3 matches and you know the opponent and the good combination of back 4 line. And if we want to another in back 4, and it will be take time to adjust with the others. And I hope who will play he also the capable, and I hope he can handle all the situation very positively. Right. Actually, as a professional, I never mix up the political and the sports actually. But as a human being, and the Bangladeshi, what happened in the last month, sometimes it touches us, and we try to don't mix up it. We here come to champion and give our best of things in the ground. And I hope if you can ensure champion, it will be more best inspiration of this our nation. I think as a coach, history always, sometimes you motivated, sometimes you misguide. I always told you, this is new game tomorrow, and everything is new. So we started like that, and we want to give our best, and boys are ready to give their best things. Very good. Actually, the Bangladesh and Nepal is the same environment, facilities also same, and other outside effective things are always same. So we know how to handle this situation, how to very quickly adopt this situation. And in Bangladesh, our players and me also always facing like that situation. And if anyone want to be a champion, if anyone want to be a champion, their outside things never distracted them. I think if they are concentrated, then they can play everywhere, get ready to play, and they achieve their goal. And one thing I am here as a coach, and what I have seen yesterday match, and generally they are a very good umpire and referee, because yesterday you have seen in the 74 minutes, the 74 minutes, 77 minutes, 74 minutes, my player didn't in the incident, he got the yellow card. The same incident got the Indian players, he didn't get any card. I think tomorrow final, the referee will take like that, very fair and very clear. Several days I told we got only 15 days, but I never give it as an excuse, and I never share with this my player. We got only 15 days, and never share with this. What we got this time, it is enough, I think, and already I shared with them. And another challenge is there, I know, but we played yesterday, and within the 48 minutes, we played a very big match. And I tried to recover them in 80 and basic recovery also. And I hope before Thursday they will recover. আগের গ্রুপ ম্যাচে নেপালকে আমরা যেভাবে ফেস করেছি এবং আমার কাছে মনে হচ্ছে তখন যদি তাদের 80% শক্তি নিয়ে আসে তাহলে আমি মনে করব ফাইনালে 100% শক্তি নিয়ে আসবে এবং তাদের হয়তো কিছু স্ট্রেঞ্জই থাকতে পারে। এবং যেহেতু ওই ম্যাচটা আমরা হেরেছিলাম তো এবং নেক্সট ফাইনালে যে আমরা তাদেরকে হারাতে পারবো না, আমরাও যদি 100% শক্তি নিয়ে এসে আমাদের চেঞ্জ নিয়ে আসি এবং আমাদের গেম বিষয়টা চেঞ্জ করি তাহলে এটা সম্ভব।
একটা সাসপেনশন আছে ট্রেনিং হবে।
আমি আগে বলেছি যে আমাদের সেন্ট্রাল ব্যাক অলরেডি 3টা ম্যাচ খেলেছে, আগে জাস্ট নাম্বার 5 সে সামনে ম্যাচটা মিস করবে। তার সঙ্গে ব্যাক ফোরের একটা ভালো আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ডিং ছিল, 3টা ম্যাচ অলরেডি এখানে খেলে ফেলেছে। তার জায়গায় যে আসবে আশা করি আমার মনে হয় সেও এক্সপিরিয়েন্স, সে এটা ভালোভাবে হ্যান্ডেল করতে পারবে এবং এজ এ প্রফেশনাল উইদিন 10 to 15 মিনিট সে এটার সঙ্গে ভালোভাবে হ্যান্ডেল করতে পারবে আশা করি। রিকভারি প্রসেস অ্যাকচুয়ালি যে রিকভারি প্রসেসটা আমরা সবসময় করে থাকি, যে আইস বাথ সেটা আমি এখানে পাইনি, আমি জানি না এখানে হয় না আইস বাথটা, এটা হলে হয়তো আমি আরও কুইক রিকভারি হতো এবং এটা এনশিওর দেওয়া যেত যে 100% রিকভারি। তারপরে আমরা বিভিন্ন অ্যাক্টিভ রিকভারি আমরা ট্রাই করেছি, প্লেয়ারদের যেতাম ম্যাচের আগে 100%